Hello. Yep. Your microphone. Wait a second. Okay. Yeah. Nice. And headphones. I forgot to turn on the console. Okay. Oh, it's looking great. So to take some minute to. Bit of trying to have a different angle of me, like this. Don't know how it looks. Ooh, looks really great. Wow, it looks really great. This angle of me. Oh, hi. So this is the new angle. Okay, still server is not that up. I came today live so late, so still it didn't up. Okay, let's just watch this
that I'm
video.
surrounded by.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Tomorrow, assuming the weather is clear, we might even get our very first glimpse of Everest itself. Hi guys, so I'm in Estonia right now. I'm currently editing this very video that you are watching right now. My map can run a application for a 7-day free trial.
Dude, I heard you resigned for a better offer. Double the salary. Yes, congratulations. Resign? No.
It's a clear morning. How do you feel about today?
Super. Full of energy. Let's go.
Let's go. Do you think we'll see Everest today?
Oh, yes.
Woo! Okay, this is it. Here we go.
Where did it go?
Whoa! That's my first time.
Oh.
First time seeing Everest.
Oh, beautiful.
Even after all these years, you've seen it so many
Nice.
times.
Yeah, super beautiful.
It also has a part in, now he is in Nepal, but it also has a part in India. So
Everest is female god?
Everest is a god.
Yes. Sherpa call Chamalong. The English people call Mount Everest. I always respect. Chamalong gave me a new life. I nearly very close to die. No, I respect from my heart.
let me know, guys. Did you guys play? I think server is up. Yep. Came alive. So yesterday we come here to do one part, but we didn't even complete that part of the, you know. So bought a new keyboard though. This feels so premium now. Sure, the light. So 60% mechanical keyboard. It has a capability to connect with around 4 devices, and you can switch between them very easily. So this long typing, now it feels like I'm typing in like luxurious. Still it been clicking off. Let's check. Okay, I had to make it bigger, right? சித்தி மூக்க தர்றது கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்களா சார்? Very great. I did it even up my Docker container, so how it would be again. Container is up. If I run the same thing again, so okay, user web at user.com password. Oh, what's the error? You didn't even saw the error. What is it? Okay, the endpoint is just not a sign up. No, will definitely work. Let's hope. No, right? So could you please explain what you are trying to say? I'm not from Hindi speaking. My mother tongue is Tamil. I'm from Tamil Nadu. So if you could communicate with me in English, how it would be much better to communicate, guy. Astrologer. I think that's your the astrologer. So if you could able to communicate with me in English, it would be much better. Because we are about to so navigate. Oh, you're trying to say one foot in code, second in circuit, and one in robotics. So it's not kind of like uh, I will go. I have a three legs and going three to three things. So it's like a kind of exploring stuffs. So it's not my end goal. If robotics, for robotics, it's need three thing mostly. One is computer science, and second electronics, and third mechanical engineering to how the parts moving inside stuff. So that's the thing. I wanted to explore the stuffs which I really now mechanics is the one field I did not aware of. Still, I need to get to know and learn about it. For now, I am in electronics, like by doing electronics through the IoT and web development. I am a full stack web developer, and also I have a knowledge on AI and ML. So as for now, similar parts will be fulfilled how things works, but another one like to be fulfilled, that to gain knowledge about is to have a have a knowledge in the mechanics field and how things going on. So it's not expect that means expert level in three things. It's just a media core in three things, and have the mentality to understand the things what is going on in the process. That's where I wanted to go. That's my goal. I am in the journey towards it, towards the learning path. So each and every day I do lives for that purpose only. Started with what my skill set is to be. What my skill set is developing a web. So secondary, this web also the thing that I'm going to do it with integrated to the hardware. You know, so it is IoT interface which I am developing right now. So yeah, that's the thing. Hardware can communicate within things like physical world. Through programming, it can achieve some other automations and stuff. So it's just a curiosity to do it. So I am from South. You are from Tamil Nadu or any other? I'm from South. Dr. Sivindhi Adityanar College of Engineering. It's a tier 3 city. So far down in India. Down means so south. We are at the end of Tamil Nadu, like Thuthukudi, Tiruchendur. So yeah, from tier 3, but still I have the mentality to work hard on it. So eventually I will be there in the state where I wanted to go, you know. So that's what I am doing, and remaining it's all the God's grace. So yeah, let's do code. If you have any questions, let me know in the chat. Very well. Nice to meet you, the astrologer. Good question though. So we have a two legs. So it's also funny though. Import navigation. No. Nice to meet you. Very nice. So where are you from? What are you studying right now? You know, you are experienced guy or working professional or studying student? I was curious to know about more about you. So we'll check course API. Register. That's the URL. Oh, he forgot the little link here. So let's check what's the syntax error. Navigate. I type navigation. Navigate. It will work now. So let's type some. Again failed. So it's a cross problem. Other than that, it will is fine, I think. So same thing, we have to do it on login card. So we need import navigate. Oh, here we have to put the thing which is here. So type it's email, and also we data type. That's it, I think. Okay. Reference. Yeah. Okay, that's the correct one. library. Yeah, of course I can explain. And for simpler note, you can able to go and read description. I have a brief explanation what I'm doing. So currently I am working with the React and Axios. I am working on a web project, which is going to be act as an interface for the IoT devices. So IoT devices can access, control uh, this site, through this. uh, it can communicate with that. And this is the dashboard of the site. So this is the dashboard, so where we uses the right. So we can able to control and check the status of the devices and stuff and all here. So it's just a basic MVP implementation I'm going to do right now, and afterwards we will go through the things that uh, for adding the third party apps into it, and make it more useful and efficient. So text tags is available in the description. So already I completed the backend API for around almost users and the off of the you know using off of the devices future using PHP. So now I just only have to integrate it with the front end using React and Axios. So after I done it, it would be workable thing. For now it is living in the API field. So we have this around 8 endpoints for now. So yeah, this is what I am doing. So here added the things. So I wanted to see what error was in there? Ashutosh Chaube. Did you understand what I'm telling? Did you get that what I'm building right now, or I need to go elaborate in some other topic? So, so right now it is just going to the login. So that's no concern. Yeah, okay, great. Good to meet you. If you want to follow along the complete build, and please, I would like tell you to follow and subscribe. That would be more helpful for me and you too. So IoT is nothing. IoT is simple, which is whatever the hardware which can have the capability to connect with internet and share data between it. It is IoT, like Internet of Things. So like my lamp is IoT, which is just I developed it on using ESP32 microcontroller. So now if I use my mobile phone app application, which is connect my device, that means which I customly developed a lamp. It's not a lamp actually, it's a smart box, smart extension box. So I connected the LED here to that extension box. My lamp is connected to that extension box here. So if I off, you can see it is off, right? If I on, it is writing on. Likewise, so my physical hardware extension box have the capability to communicate to the internet and share and get the command from the users like this. So Kunumal Abhinav, am I spelling it right, pronouncing it right? So hi. So that's what IoT means. It's a simple thing, nothing to worry about. Whichever the hardware have the your mobile phone is one kind of IoT, Internet of Things, but it's so complex, and if you can able to monitor, control, access some hardware, uh, code with LK. I'm from Tamil Nadu basically. I'm from South Tamil Nadu, from in India. I think code with LK. You already came here, right? I did saw you in some other videos. So if you guys would like to join me in this build, complete through build, and get that all, to get the stuffs which we are building right now to see the end result and follow along things, I would like you guys to subscribe. So Tamil Nadu, you are you are also from Tamil Nadu? Or you are typing it wrong or anything else I wouldn't understand. Tamil Nadu, Nadu, didn't understand. You are from Tamil Nadu, code with LK. So that there's no alert message. I didn't see any alert messages here. So let me check why the thing. So the body is to just have these two things. So I get the response as two things, login successful. What's the problem? It has to go one. If it's failed, it has to return to the login. There's no alert messages. Sa. I think there is error in cross, so it's showing the weird stuffs. 192.168.1.12. It's right. This is to create base URL. Code with LK, are you there? So from any other places, I didn't understand where you're from. So, or does that place exist? Like Tamil Nadu? Oh, it's also going to Tamil Nadu. I think it's a typo mistake that you did. Don't worry. Nice to meet you guys. Very, very nice to meet you. So, still, I didn't get any access.quit. Then it all looks fine, but I didn't get any. No, my country name is India. My state name is Tamil Nadu. My country is India. I'm from India. From India, the state Tamil Nadu, which I'm living in. With Tamil Nadu, I live in south part of Tamil Nadu. You know, that's what I said. If it may convey it wrong, sorry for that. I'm from India and state of Tamil Nadu, south part of Tamil Nadu. Yeah. Are you from Tamil Nadu? That's why. Yeah, that's what I am asking right now. So it's a question mark. You're from India. Okay. Yes, I'm from India. So you are from Pakistan. Great. Good to meet you, friend. Good to meet you. Nice to meet you, by the way. Somewhere I was so excited meeting new people, and my words didn't come that much of flow. So I was so excited. So if you like me to continue on watching what I am developing, please do subscribe. And if you, I want to know more about you. What are you doing right now? So I also start to develop things. And I was wondering why I didn't get any log to print. So I just testing it with the dummy email. I should see any log, right? Log messages. Oh, I'm seeing it, but it suddenly redirected again to the login. Then it means it is failing. I think it's a cross problem, and also when it goes to slash login, it not just goes to slash login, it's also go with the question mark. I don't need that question mark. Oh, very nice. You're a front end. Are you using React for your front end development? Which means I would like to hear more about it. I figure out what the error is. It's cross error. It's the error in a backend. My PHP server is not allow any cross, thing. I didn't enable the cross feature in my Apache server, so I have to do it. So before that, great. Your computer science students. Obviously, most of the time people come from here. I too computer science students. I am studying final year. Yeah, I am a final year student of computer science. Oh, okay, nice. You are using React. So the cross problem is a big deal, right? So why I get the question mark after? So did you know why I am getting? Oh, you are second year. Nice. Why I am getting this React DOM navigate? I will give if it cause any error, return to the you know return to the page slash login. But it didn't go there. It instead go to somewhere and it didn't stop for the alert too. It acting weirdly than the normal. See, it didn't even show the alert to me. Wait the alert. I did not know why it acting like this. If you did know, please let me know. Again, I will try once more. So I'm currently building right now. I already told that. I also have a small brief in the description what I'm building and stuff. Right now, I'm trying to connect my backend to the front end using React. So I get the thing. Uncaught information. Oh, okay. What it can't able to. I think it. God, that's no endpoint, which is called dashboard. So if I fix the cross, it would all be make sense. I think. I think front end connecting part of that thing is over. I know. So just I will. Uh, very nice. So so if anyone in live, anyone uh, watching in live, I would encourage you guys to code along with me, and it would you guys to make you focus. If you need any calm music, I will do it. So code along with me, guys. I will play some focus music for you.
Hi, I'm Bimla. You might have seen me on Shark Tank India.
I'll be here for around 20 minutes. Afterwards, I will going to stop a live stream. So yeah, 20 minutes to grind. So I need to work up this crop cross problem. Again, please vibe to hey while I didn't understand the last two words because I am from Tamil Nadu again and again. Please communicate with me in English. It's okay. So did you said something like vibe stuffs? But let's go to land. Okay. Subham, welcome back to the live. Hello, JL. J. I think. Hello. Yeah, good vibes. Guys, good vibes makes you greater things. So, it up is in cost here. No, it's been a so long day. In React. Hello, Kaizen. Hello. Welcome to the live. To backend developer who then okay, thank you for coming back and see Subham Ahmed. So Kaizen, what you are asking? Hi Jay, me to backend developer, front-end me Gusu. I didn't understand what you are asking, but if you have a good question, ask it in a please complete English. Then I would be so happy to answer to you. I'm not from Hindi or some background, and friend and me Gusu means I could not understand things. So please ask it in a good phrase of English question. I will definitely help you. Yep, correct. Thank you for helping me. Should I hop into web dev? It's your wish. If you are interested in the field of computer science, web dev is a kind of foundation for everything. It opens up a whole new view of how overall things is working, but it beyonds everything. But web dev is foundation for every IT field in thing, but it's not like you should learn, but if you are curious, it is great to learn web dev. But market is not kind of okay. I did not know about how job market is, but web dev is one of the interesting field. Right now you can it's according to your mindset and how your creativity thinks. It has a great opportunity, and if you have any great problems to solve, you can do it in a web right now. So web is easy as well as has a potential to grab and have you the greater chance of learning new concepts. And because of web, I understand what is protocols, and my first protocol which I learned was HTTP because of the web. So then I will explore just so many protocols which I currently using, right, like MQTT and AMQT, so many other protocols, and a lot of the basic oops concept. Because of the web dev, I learned about the. So what I think about web development? I think I am a full stack dev. So I think good things about the web dev. Web dev is nice and great. It shows me something that is not even showed by any other skills. For if you take AI, if you take go and learn AI or data science, I did that learning, but I didn't understand what it really means and why we need to use some programming language for that. But when I come to the web dev, it all open up and makes sense why we learning programming language. What is data science? When you learn about database, and if you handle lot of so many of the data stuffs like user data, now I'm building with the device data, and now we comes to understand, okay, we get this much of data. So data science is a field which uses this data and organize it and classify it and analyze things in that data and do find patterns in that data. So now I understood what data science because of this web dev. So it's my own point of view. So you have a great foundation in JavaScript, Node.js, TypeScript is mostly enough nowadays. You can do anything right now. You can build anything right now because we have a lot of good frameworks. So you are 14, very nice. I am 20, so you have a great way ahead. If you take around 1.5 years to learn, build something in a web and move on to explore things more and more, then you will be in a shape that no one can come near to you when you attend your college. I think that's the thing. If I would have had a chance to start my journey on 14, I would be so happy now, and I'm far more better. But now myself, I'm so happy about me today. So that's a different story, guys. And so nice to meet you. I was so happy to see you, man. Nice to meet you, Kaizen. Very nice. Keep growing, keep learning. Use AI as a tool to learn, and make AI as a personalized teacher for you. Because I'm not a sir though. I'm just a final year student. You can call me, as a brother or bro. It would be better, So if you would like me and you want to see me the end result and how I am developing things, please do follow me. It would be more helpful to live more and more though. So yeah, creating some stuff. Yeah, that's not what it is. Okay, nice. If you want to contact me anywhere, follow me on LinkedIn. I will definitely help you with any other queries you have, guys. So follow me on LinkedIn. It would be better, much more better things. We can connect and talk over there too. Yeah, I have a Discord though. I created server. If you would like to join with me, go you have go below and join in the server, and give a friend request to me. I will accept and we will connect and talk in that too. Nice. Yeah, if you saw my description of this live, you can see control plus build with Jeromel community server, and join in that. More members will add up, it will become so good community, I feel, and I will there to help. So help and we will grow together. So I don't know what happened. I think, yeah, it is bad. Great, very nice. Listen, we will. I will check now. Very nice. I will give. I will add you to my friend list. Did you get? I said I waved you in Discord. No. Very nice. Okay. No worries. So thank you for joining in a Discord server. We will grow one by one. You are a first member. So great. I'm trying to solve this cross problem. So would it be better to go into. Yeah, I'm using your Vim. Now, currently, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but I'm using a Vim Motions. It's not a Neo Vim. Yeah, sorry. It's a Neo Vim. I'm using Lazy Vim plugin here. So you are 14-year-old. Oh, you are using. I was so amazed, Kaizen. You're using Arch and Vim. At the age of 14, I was so happy about you. So grow more and learn more in things. Okay. Yeah, Arch is. I I have tried Arch, but what I feel is, this is my real honest opinion, which is I need extra time to configure things. It takes extra time to configure stuffs, so I feel it is kind of time consuming. I love using it though, because it is like, it's a different. And my server home lab is running on Linux only, so that's a different story. So yeah, you understand. I think you understand the pain of the arch, but it's not kind of a pain. I wouldn't say it is a pain, because it is what it is. It's meant for something, but nice. From the scratch itself, we first time with manual install. Oh, very nice. I won't, you know, go again with the manual install, because I was afraid, because I fried one laptop by installing it. I think I fried the hardware. I did not why and what happened when I configured it. So I will go with the automated way that which they give when we are boot up, right? So I go by that way, and I started using it. And I thought it was waste of time for me, because my niche is different, to build some product and web and stuff, that I focus more on things like, configuring, and to develop a website, I need web server. So it it gets one point where I need to completely focus on things like it, to take a specifically main amount of time to set up a Apache server itself. Yeah, I will accept that. It is super customizable from the base itself. I will accept. Welcome, study with Prasad. Very nice. Good to hear that. Installed Android Studio, Flutter, VS Code, and use Terminal till now. Very nice. Keep going. I would encourage you to keep going and build things, and do great stuffs. That's the thing. So programming is kind of a art. You can write some code. It will speak to the computer, and it will produce a good output. Again, I'm getting a login failed over and over again. That's a different thing. So study with Prasad. I did created a Discord server. I would like you to join in a Discord. You suggest me to create a Telegram, but I thought Discord is more of a good way of organizing things with the channel. Like for support and help, we can create different set of channels in the one server itself, and it is more organized way, which I feel. So I would like you to. Kaizen is the first guy who joined in that Discord server, so first member. So if you are joined in our server, we will grow as a community. You know. Na, 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 na. So that's a point. Join in a Discord server. Uh, it's kind of your wish, I think. You started a way of communicating things and where we can grow. So I just started and created things. Yeah, it's a good point. And if you check out the Discord server, I created a support page for that, and I will explain what are the things I created. So our server name is control build with control plus build with Jeromel. So control is also means the control from the computers. Yeah, I am. I will use. I am using a very nice. Okay, please call me bro. Sad is so not kind of vibe thing. Hi guys. So you know yeah, Kaizen, I am using Tailwind but for Radix UI alone I am somewhat I am using style normal CSS, but mostly I love Tailwind to use because it's more kind of a nice way, you know, simple and unique way to develop things. So it's a general chat, guys, and here we have setup things. Now I bought a new keyboard that which I can able to share my setup. So after a long time, I bought this keyboard. It's a mechanical keyboard, and I wanted to try a mechanical wireless 60% keyboard because I'm a Vim user, and also I don't need that much of keyboard though. So I thought of going with 60%. So this kind of setup, that your study setup and your working setup, you can share with your image and stuff in here. And yeah, Kaizen. Okay, you are using what I'm saying. It is like I forgot the name of it. My computer, my home lab uses the same Hyperland. You're using Hyperland. Very nice. I love Hyperland UI theme, right? That user interface, and with controlling stuffs in keyboard itself, it is feels good. Control over keyboard alone, not going to the mouse. Very nice, Kaizen. Keep growing. So here you can share your setup of physical setup and yourself setups. And here is the first time you introduce yourself. It would be nice to see other members, right? And here then help section and learning session. So if I saw any resources, I will share here. And yeah, Hyperland. Do you know how much education channel make like me? What you are asking about? Study with Prasad. Do you know how much education? Mhm. I couldn't get what you are asking. If you ask it more clear way, I will definitely. Nice setup. So, and also I would suggest you guys to go to check on my GitHub profile. But problem with my laptop is hard disk. What? You didn't have a SSD? Guys, then you didn't have SSD. Yeah, hard disk could be problem in other different ways. So this is the rule of our channel. Rules. It's not that big thing. Just respects and no scam stuffs will not be included here. That means restrictive links of different thing, different unwanted stuffs. And so these are the rules, basic community rules, right? Uh, your old laptop, no upgrade, and so do upgrade, man. I will encourage you to upgrade things. So it would be nice, but hard disk really, man. I know the pain. It really slows down your things. So and here you guys receive the notification. Ha, you need app in a day, then you need to try any one of the, you know, any one of AI currently. But AI also couldn't even develop a app in a single day. So you will get there eventually if you learn and put your effort and make use of. So yeah, super slow. Hard disk is super slow, but in Arch it feels smooth. Yeah, obviously because it's optimized for Linux is basically smooth in hard disk. It didn't need that much of SSD power, but Windows sucks. It definitely needs things, you know, need SSD. So my mind is kind of went to the save some memory like money like 222 rupees. Ah, it's a big amount, but it's not as much near to the buying SSD. I upgraded my laptop here. It is live streaming, right? It's a Ryzen 7 spec. Uh, it comes with 8 GB RAM. I upgraded to 16. Then only I can run this much of applications simultaneously. Okay, if possible. Yeah, definitely. It, that was study with Prasad. It's a great thing which I was awestruck about Kaizen is he's just 14-year-old and he's doing great things like using Linux and learning stuffs like amazing. You know, I was amazed to hear about him. So I was kind of I went to the mood to go with uh, what I say go with the talking mode now instead of coding stuff because I getting the crosshair and I have to figure out tomorrow only because my mind went black now. I think it's literally because of. So you're asking me right now. If you ask to me, I created not that much, but I've created few Kaizen. Kaizen created. He will created some lot of other things, right? It's, it's fire. It is fire now. So I mostly it's my second attempt of building this IoT interface. So I already done it. Uh, so if Kaizen is also the great thing. You know. So I you know I created a to-do web application. It's a basic for everyone come into the web. It's cinnamon stack and connect to lab and I developed one CLI application which is it would be nice though. It is enough you to develop things, but you will get short in storage eventually. That's a problem. But otherwise, your spec was amazing, and I will get there soon. And my portfolio, I developed portfolio. Mac to Kaizen wouldn't allow any other stuff. You know, it's just I need Arch, Arch guys. Very nice. You get some Messages on Discord. Bro. It's your portfolio. I guessed it right. Yeah. You know, killing. I I will wait. I didn't see your profile photo yet. Very nice. Nice, clean looking. Perfect Discord bot with moderation, anti-nuke, and many more features. Built using Node.js and Discord.js. Very clean looking. Hi, I'm Kaizen, also known as Manik. I'm passionate about building efficient backend systems, stacking powerful Discord bots with a solid foundation. Very nice, man. I didn't see your avatar. Why? Hmm. Nice. Kaizen, did you saw read my portfolio? It's built completely from scratch. So I then realized what is the drawback in it. Because if I need to add any other project extra, I need to hard code it. So I thought I created another one thing. I didn't create it. I take it from the GitHub and modified it for me. So now it automatically pulls projects from the GitHub and show it here. Here I have bio and skills and experience stuff. So it's not my project. It's from the GitHub. But it kind of useful for me when I need mostly to add more project to my portfolio. But it was a nice experience building on application using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript from the scratch, and gives me the more exposure in a lot of other things. Okay, I would suggest that too. Nice design is nice, man. Very great, good looking. Study with process. If you still there, don't be discouraged and go on with the learning. I will share my this road.flutter link in our Discord. Use that. So you make use of it. Yeah. He's just 14. He's doing great stuff. So the for learning, Flutter is for around front end dev. Flutter is used to create a mobile app, web app. It's kind of using you know using Flutter. You will create components like UA components. Oh, you also from South India. You are from where? Exactly. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, any place. AP, Andhra Pradesh. Very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So Flutter is usually for developing things, but without HTML, CSS. So that's a part of Flutter. You don't need any HTML, CSS knowledge to style things. It's already predefined. What it call in React we call components, but in Flutter it has a different name. Of it. Nice. We will keep grow, guys. We will keep grow in more and more in this Discord server. If you know any other your friend, call them, and we'll build us one community together to as a helping community. Like Kaizen study with Prasad is coming from a different background, completely different background, not a tech background. He wanted to create. He had YouTube channel and around 5 point some k subscriber. So he wanted to develop some application for his channel. Like you know application update. Application means notes update things, video upload kind of application. So he trying to learn and come in to learn a Flutter to develop that application. I would encourage them to learn and do it right. So I created in that motto. I'm creating this. Oh, we are AP guys are meeting together. Nice. Very nice of building things, guys. Yeah, you can't completely trust on AI. We need to think like it's still in beta. True, completely true. And I experienced in yesterday live. You know, I am absolutely use AI as a tool. I know things what is going on in a program. I use it to type for me. That's what I am trying to do. Uh, the thing is, the main thing is yesterday I wanted to use Radix, a Radix UA component text field. In Radix, in text field, there is a no text field dot input in the documentation itself, but AI thinks it is there and it will give some other thing and fill that area. And I stuck in error. I'm thinking why it is showing me error, and I go through documentation stuff back and front and back, and yeah, it can't. Still it can't solve the backend complex problems. See, building an app is simple as that. AI can do it, but when it grow to that big user base, handling a load, that's where problems get started and tricky. So that's a point. We need a human mind force to do it. So the problem is this, and then I figure out there is a no text field dot input is there, and we need to remove it. It's a built-in mistakes, and it's also a that's in we updated. Now it has a web search feature. It is quite working though in Gemini because it uses Google search engine to search. But other than that, it's all things. yeah, that for that kind of purpose it was nice, and it's very useful though for translating. Yeah, it, yeah, because it didn't study with Prasad. Understand one thing: AI is not reading stuffs. It is kind of predicting stuffs. It finds pattern. It's completely run on probability and statistics. Note on that. It's completely run on problem. Sorry, my tongue is twisting. Probability and statistics. It completely runs on probability and statistics. Kind of predicts and analyze the pattern around the data and respond to you. So that's the problem. So that's why it can't able to understand things. It didn't give you the answer 2 plus 2 equal to 4 because of 2 plus 2 is 4 count. It give you because it saw so many datas of 2 plus 2 equal to 4 that engineers given feed into the AI. 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So much of amount of data is given to the ChatGPT or any AI. It saw that data pattern, then it will respond to you with the 4. So now we have a reasoning model. It's the kind of different other level. It doing different stages to think and very slow at things like deep seek r1 and o mini. So that's all thing. Nice. So I can feel the feel the traffic of my life when I was, and whenever I'm doing about 10 p.m. So quite a bit people are coming and going. Yeah, but somewhat DeepSeek is not updated update full data. That's old data, but it reasoning good, and the prediction level is amazing. Mm, but the thing is, it didn't update itself near for now, and I noticed that from one package and library in npm we have around latest version is so good, and it didn't use some other comments and components in it, but it giving and code using that components. So it still add a backlog in that kind of levels of data, but other than that, good reasoning was nice. I recently started to adapt it. Yeah, that's true. Kind of, guys, and kind of you are exploring so many things. Very good though. So I think 5 people are watching. So if you are interested to grow and join in any community which grow as a developer and techie or thing, I have one Discord server. Check out in a description and join. It would be better. Already Kaisen and Study with Prasad are the members. So we have a group of 3 now. It will be eventually grow. So DeepSeek make like ton of mistakes, but it is useful. ChatGPT is better. It can learn and doesn't fit silly mistakes. Kaisen, if you think I am distracted, yeah, I thought conveying people is needed. They need to understand what I am trying to do. In most of the lives, I didn't even trying to build my application. I just talking a lot right now. So I think that's it for today. It's almost been 2 hours, and yeah, exactly. It's going to be 2 hours in 10 seconds. So yeah, a little bit. I was distracted a lot from the coding and stuff. So see you guys from tomorrow, Sunday live. I think I won't come tomorrow in live because I already has announced. If I have time, I will, because tomorrow is Sunday and I have to give break for one day itself to make myself clean and organized for the next week. So I have many projects is on the way to complete in my things. A textbook app is there. They are earning course by making mock test for exams. Yeah, it's but it's so easy to implement when it comes to using AI into a textbooks things, textbook API, and we can able to use take one AI API and connected with the Discord bot and ask some question, you know, tell a prompt I need this kind of test questions, this 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 much of test questions and multiple choice answers it will give, and we just need to format it and show it in on front end. It is easy when we use, you know, AI in this kind of applications. So I think, see you guys, I will meet tomorrow or as soon as when I'm back on live. So good night, everybody. See you guys soon on. Oh, okay. Then I will use some of your expertise to do good things, you know. If you are free and if you are okay, then we will collaborate and do fun API for our Discord server. You know, if you are interested, please share any resources that you find useful to create Discord bot to our Discord server. Post any resources for it. Okay. So see you guys. It will be late. My mom will go come and stop live before I need to go. Okay. See ya.